Hello, I'm Tim from Toy Tinker Tim, and in this repair episode I've got a vintage shoulder holster from the G.I. Joe Adventure Team line, and it has a very common problem where the tab that holds the strap in place has broken off. To compare and show how they were made, I've got another vintage shoulder holster here with the tab still in place. You can see from the narrow tab base that these were very easy to break off from just regular play wear. Reproduction shoulder holsters are easy to come by, but I would like to salvage and repair my original holster here. So that's what I'll be showing, is my method of making the repair. So supplies needed for the episode: we've got a twist drill, a assortment of styrene rods, a butane soldering tool, and be very careful because it gets hot, so there's fire and burn issues there. Black acrylic paint and a satin clear acrylic varnish to seal and protect the acrylic paint we're going to use. First, I'm using a very small drill bit that was included with the twist drill to make several small holes in the area I'm making to repair it. This is to make sure that I'm not getting too close to the edge. And next, I'm gradually stepping up in the size of the bit that I need till I reach the size of the hole that I'm looking for. Now I can slide the styrene tube through. I'm not trimming off any length yet, so I can create the tab and make any adjustments as I go. So I'm wanting to take a second look at the other holster tab once more to gauge the size and shape that I'm looking to create. It's time now for the butane soldering tool. With this, I'll be tapping down on the styrene tube, flattening it into the shape of the tab. Keep the tip in constant motion and not holding it in one spot for too long, or the plastic will melt and stick. Time again, taking a check on the size and shape comparison before I move on to the next step. So far looking pretty good. In this step, I've snipped off excess styrene, and basically I'll repeat the process I used for creating the tab on the top, but I'll melt the styrene and flatten it into the underside of the holster to finish the repair. While I was working, I also created a bit of a tapered fit at the base of the new tab that I created. And on the bottom, I've melted some of the black vinyl into the styrene rod base to make it a good, solid, permanent fix. Now I've painted the repair with the black acrylic paint, and I've used the satin clear acrylic to seal and protect the painted repair surface. A comparison check, my repair tab is a bit smaller, but I'm still pretty happy with the outcome. The fit in the belt notch is snug, and time for a final fit test on the figure. This Joe has some fuzz wear. He's the first figure I had as a kid, so he's seen a lot of action. And it's a good fit. It doesn't pop off, it holds with the sliding and moving the holster around on the figure, so it's nice and solid. before and after the repair compared to the original vintage holster. Hopefully this will help you save your vintage shoulder holsters and put them back into action. Please consider hitting the subscribe button and share the video with your friends. And as always, thanks for watching.